If your Windows 11 emoji panel suddenly shows GIF service is not available or GIF search has stopped working, don't panic. This is not caused by a virus, and you don't need any repair software. Microsoft has announced a change to the service that powers GIF search in Windows. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix the problem safely in just a few minutes. Step 1. Confirm the problem. First, let's make sure you're seeing the correct issue. Press Windows plus period, Win plus dot, on your keyboard to open the Windows emoji panel. Now switch to the GIF tab and search for a simple word like happy, thank you, or celebration. If emojis and symbols appear normally, but GIF search doesn't return results or shows GIF service is not available, then you're likely affected by Microsoft's recent GIF service change. Step 2. Check Windows Update. The most important fix is installing the latest Windows Update. Open Settings, then go to Windows Update. Click Check for updates and install every available cumulative update for your PC. Microsoft is replacing the emoji panel's GIF provider from Tenor to GIP because the older Tenor API is being retired. Starting June 30th, 2026, computers that haven't received the latest Windows update may lose GIF search until they're updated. Avoid downloading unofficial update files, or so-called GIF repair tools. The official Windows update is the safest and recommended solution. Step 3. Restart your PC. After the update finishes installing, restart your computer. Once Windows starts again, press Win plus and test the GIF search again. If the emoji panel was already open before the update, close it completely. If necessary, open Task Manager, find Windows Explorer, right-click it, and choose Restart. Then try opening the emoji panel once more. Step 4. Check Internet, date, and VPN. Remember, GIF search is an online feature. Make sure your PC has a working internet connection using Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Also verify that your date and time are set correctly. If you're using a VPN, proxy, or internet filtering software, temporarily disconnect it and test GIF search again. If this is a work or school computer, your organization's firewall or network policies may block online GIF services. In that case, contact your IT administrator. Step 5. Understand what changed. Many users think Microsoft removed GIFs from Windows, while only GIF search stops working until Windows is updated. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Tech Fix Guides, and turn on notifications for more Windows 11 troubleshooting tutorials.